Hello everyone and welcome. Today we're diving into a topic that affects so many of us, personal finance. Our focus will be on the 50-30-20 rule, a simple yet powerful system that has changed the way people manage their money forever. Did you know that 78% of Americans live paycheck to paycheck? We'll explore what this rule is, why it works, and how you can use it to take control of your finances. So let's get started. So this slide highlights the famous 50-30-20 rule, which was popularized by Senator Elizabeth Warren in her book, All Your Worth, back in 2005. It's a simple but powerful framework for managing your paycheck effectively. The idea is to split your income into three main categories. First, needs, which should take up around 50% of your income. These are essentials like rent, groceries, utilities, and transportation. Think of this as the foundation, the things you absolutely need to keep your life running smoothly. Next, we have wants, which ideally should be about 30%. These are the things that add enjoyment to your life but aren't essential, like dining out, streaming services like Netflix, shopping, or hobbies. It's important to enjoy your money, but also to keep these in check. Finally, the remaining 20% should go into savings. Things like building an emergency fund, investing, or paying down debt. This is crucial for your financial security and future growth. Overall, this rule provides a straightforward way to balance your spending and savings, ensuring you're covering your basic needs, enjoying life, and also planning for the future. It's a helpful guideline to keep your finances healthy and aligned with your goals. All right, let's take a closer look at what this really means. If you save $1,000 every month and manage to get a 7% return on your investments, in just 10 years, that savings could grow to over $200,000. That's the power of consistent saving combined with compound interest. Now, notice how the slide breaks down your expenses into categories. 20% for your wants, 30% for your needs, and the remaining 50% is your take-home pay. This is a simple way to visualize how your income is allocated and highlights the importance of understanding your spending habits. The key takeaway here is that by managing your expenses wisely and investing regularly, you can significantly grow your savings over time. It's about making smart choices now so you can build a more secure financial future. This concept ties into the overall theme of mindful money management and strategic planning for long-term wealth. All right, let's talk through the third step. Here, the idea is to set up 3 separate bank accounts. The key is to automate your transfers so that on payday, the right amounts move instantly, before you even have a chance to spend them. This way, you're essentially paying yourself first and ensuring your money is allocated properly right from the start. It's a simple but powerful way to stay disciplined and avoid the temptation to dip into funds you've earmarked for savings or bills. This step really ties into the overall theme of managing money proactively, rather than reactively, by creating systems that work for you automatically. All right, before we wrap up, I have a quick favor to ask. If you found this useful, please give me a thumbs up, subscribe to stay updated, and share this with anyone who might benefit. Now, I want you to think about your own finances. Drop your monthly income in the comments below, and I'll help you figure out how to split it wisely. Remember, the key to financial health is understanding how much to save, spend on wants, and cover your needs. A common guideline is to save around 20%, spend about 30% on wants, and allocate roughly 50% for your needs. But the important part is not waiting for the perfect timing, like next month or January 1st, to start. The time to take control is now. So start today. Make those adjustments and set yourself up for financial success. Because the sooner you start, the better positioned you'll be in the long run.